How to block notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is, first and foremost, is to make sure that you have set your phone to do not disturb, so that there's no notifications that are coming into your phone or popping out on your phone. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is to tap on your settings here. Let's just go back here. Under settings, you will see here notifications. Click on notifications, and then here you'll see show previews. Make sure that you have set that to never, and then here you can set this to count. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is, for example, you're trying to block a specific application. So for example, you're trying to block the notification coming from, let's say this one. Then all you have to do is to toggle off allow notifications. So for example, this one, let's just do this one, turn off allow notifications, and do it to all the applications that you want to turn off or block the notifications. And basically that is it. That is how you block notifications on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.